Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can hide game status over on Discord. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so first of all, open up your Discord application, and if you haven't logged in with your account, first of all go and log in with your account. After that, once you're on the home page of Discord, locate account settings. It's the gear icon right next to your profile at the bottom left. Just click on this gear icon and here you will see various options. What you have to do is just scroll down till the end, and once you're at the end, locate activity privacy. Simply open it up and you'll be able to tweak all of the settings related to your activity of your account. Now just toggle off this one here. This option is about the status of showing others what game you are playing. Simply it will shut all of your activity statuses. Now it isn't necessary, but if you don't want it, then the option is available and you can close it and you are done. Now let me show you the status of another player to see what it look like. In the case if you don't know, this little writing here is the activity status, and that's how you can hide game status over on Discord. Hope you like the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.